In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Google Play gift card on Pokemon Go. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly redeem your Google Play gift card and spend it within Pokemon Go. So you will not be actually redeeming the gift card directly into Pokemon Go. You will redeem it into your Google account and then use the funds that you receive to purchase coins or any other available items. So I recommend doing this inside of the game itself. Just open up the menu, go over to the shop, and inside you can browse through all of the available items. In here, find something that costs real world money or the option to buy bundles of coins. So when you tap to purchase something that costs actual money, you will be able to tap the option to buy, and the Google Play checkout menu should automatically appear. In here, you can browse through various different payment methods, including the option to redeem a code. So all that you have to do is tap redeem code at the bottom. Immediately upon selecting redeem code, you will be able to enter the Google Play gift card that you have. So you can enter the full number here. Upon entering the full number of the Google Play gift card that you want to receive here, you will be able to tap redeem, and all of the funds available on that gift card will be added into your Google Play store. So now you will be able to go back to the checkout window and finish this purchase with the funds available in your wallet. Now, sadly, I don't have a Google Play gift card at hand at this exact moment to demonstrate this process with, but it's as simple as following the on-screen instructions. As soon as you are done inputting the full Google Play gift card number, as long as it is valid and legitimate, the funds will be added according to how worth it is, and then you will be able to go back to the checkout window to finish purchasing any item available on Pokemon Go. Of course, you can do this with any other in-game items in different applications as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Google Play gift card on Pokemon Go. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.